I would like to file a motion to have charges all dismissed due to the Speedy Trial Act. And I don't think it's very fair that with having to go against people that have 8 years of schooling versus my hour and a half. Like, there's no way that will have 30 days to be able to study and defend myself from the time of this trial. You gave me bogus laws to look up and information, and you were biased.
I would suggest you apply for a lawyer instead of just...
All right, guys. Today we've got one of the dumbest sovereign citizens I've ever seen. Like, seriously, how do people like this still exist in 2025? This guy can barely read, yet he thinks he can walk into court and act like some legal expert. His big complaint? He says he's not getting a fair trial because he only had 1 hour to study the law, while the prosecutor had 7 years in law school. That's like showing up to a marathon with no training and whining that Olympic runners had more time to practice. This is going to be painful, but also hilarious, so let's dive in and watch this guy get crushed by reality.
The state of Michigan versus Benjamin Macario Martinez, 237407ST, 226707ST, and 162435FY. Concerning the matters then we were set over from last time, Mr. Downing, in regard to the underlying matters that are left open, has there been any progress?
Your Honor, an offer, I believe, was extended to Mr. Martinez by letter dated June 8th, while he's been incarcerated in the jail. We have not heard what his response is, so I will leave it to Mr. Martinez whether he wishes to enter a plea pursuant to that on the 2 files he has to that offer, or seek an adjournment.
All right, we're also here for sentencing on a number of contempt. So in regard to the 2 open charges, Mr. Martinez, and you're proceeding here today in general, are you choosing to proceed without a lawyer here today?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
So concerning the 2 files that remain open, 6707 and 7407, Ms. Cass apparently sent you another offer after we had court last time. Mr. Martinez, I have no idea what that offer is. The court is not part of any plea bargaining. You have both of these cases here. What is your position in respect to whatever they sent you?
I would like to file a motion to have charges all dismissed due to the Speedy Trial Act. And also, I didn't get, last time we were in court, I expressed to the court that I wasn't able to have reasonable time or an adequate law books. They're old. I only got an hour and a half. I only know some rules for an hour and a half of studying. So out of my freedom of speech and the rules of professional conduct, I'd like to.
This man can barely read, but now he wants to stand in court and read his own motions like he's a lawyer. Honestly, his reading level is maybe around 6th grade at best. And here's the wild part. He's upset he didn't get more time to study the law. Like, dude, do you think the judge is going to pause your case for years so you can get a law degree? The court already gave him choices: hire a lawyer, get a public defender, or represent yourself if you actually know what you're doing. Clearly, he doesn't. What's next? Asking for a delay so he can join the Supreme Court.